I'm just making a brief videos on some of those aspects, some of those materials that can help you as a farmer. There's a video I did and I talked about how you as a farmer can make yours very realistic for you. At least you need to try your best 100%. Try your best 100% means sometimes making some parameters, getting some parameters right in your hatchery. There's a client of mine who is in Abuja and they are starting hatchery. I will discuss a lot of things and the water will be tested and we try to work on the first hatchery, how best this can be. And this is what we are sending today. Today we are sending the water aerator. These are the bigger aerator. We have the small ones. I think it's inside. We have the small aerator, but this is the we have the 1 watt. The 1 watt aerator can power at least 1,000 liters of water conveniently to 2,000 liters of water conveniently. But this is 10 hose aerator. That means we call it air compressor. So this is to aerate, to give oxygen, to generate oxygen into the ponds. And so this will be going to Abuja today. It's brand new. So we are supplying it to Abuja today with the 10 hose. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 mouths to generate a lot of oxygen into the pond. These are some of the areas that I think most farmers are getting it wrong. As a farmer, you want to start to generate money, you want to start to generate millions, but most of us do play on trial and error. We don't have any parameters in check. The only thing we do is that we just try to hatch, and by God's grace, things work. We thought we have made it all, but by the end of the day, we'll be having problems, or you may not even have problems at all. There are a lot of farms that have even started, that have spent multi-millions starting up, but they are still having problems. So this needs to be checked. Guiding you as a catfish farmer, we have a lot of advantages. I bet you have a lot of advantages. I'm a little bit stressed up today, and what is going through is the oveline. This is the 10 ml oveline bottle. That is the hormone. This is to inject your female broodstock. This is to inject the female broodstock, and this is going today too as well. So we have the 10 ml bottle, which is going to the city of Abuja today. Again, what is going? Yeah, we have the CO2 shaker. CO2 shaker, your water CO2 shaker. This checks, help you checks for the pH, a constant pH coloration of your water. This is blue in color, and by the time you introduce this checker, you mount it into the water of your pond, of your incubator. You can mount it conveniently and you check it. This will give you the ranges that the pond water is given to you. So this one too is going to the city of Abuja tomorrow. It's the CO2 checker. If you need some of these parameters, make sure that you contact the number on the screen. We have the one for ammonia, we have the one for the nitrate, but I'm just showing you what is going to Abuja tomorrow. So checker to check your water is very good. That give you signs, it give you shortcut sign. That means I call it shortcut sign because by the time you get into your pond and you sight the checker from the front, you may know there's a problem with the water or not. So the checker will tell you change your water or run flow through. So those are the signs this checker will give you. And again, yeah, we have what we call the digital pH, which is going to as well. This is the buffing, the buffer from the acidity, chlorine and alkaline. So these are the buffers. So this as well is going to the city of Abuja tomorrow. At least all of us, we understand what pH is in water. We understand how dangerous pH is in water. pH is fast killer. It's one of the parameters you need to check in hurry, in hatchery, in grow out, in any part of catfish. This will kill your fishes on time. As pH is killing, what I mean by pH, most of us do not know that the acidity is killing and alkaline is killing. If your water is too acidic, it will kill. If your water is too alkaline, it will kill. But at this time, what we want to do is that, getting to all this, we need to be able to check our hardiness, the water hardiness too as well. That means if the water is soft or if the water is hard. So this kit too is going to the city of Abuja to check those parameters too as well. It's going to city of Abuja to check those parameters. This one will help you check the softness of the water or the total load of your water, the total dissolved solid in your water that is affecting your water. If the total dissolved solid in your water is too high, this parameter will tell you it is high. So what you need to do is to what? Is to reduce it. And how can you reduce this? It depends on what you put into your water. Because some of us, maybe you have an acidic water and you are using soda ash, or you are using bicarbonate of soda, you are using anything in order, or you are even use zoolite, you are using cassiterite, you are using all those things in order to buffer our water. And we are not keen about if the water is getting more too high. So this will control you that, Mr. Man, what you are putting inside me is getting too much, and this will affect the fishes. So it's from this kit you will need to control that as well. So this one too is going to the city of Abuja. And what is going again here? We have the hose. We have the hose. We are having 10 tanks, the hatchery tanks. So we are having the hose in order to supply the oxygen into the pond. So the hose is going, and this we have the stones. This is bubbling stones. These bubbling stones too will be going to the city of Abuja. So we have them here in mass. So they are going to the city of Abuja. If you need any of these, make sure that you contact the number on the screen, and we will supply it to you anywhere you are. And again, we have the non-returnable valve. This valve helps you to protect your aerator, because this will not allow, in case you off the aerator, it will not allow the water to come back into the aerator to affect it. This will return it back into your pond. It will stop them. So this one too is going to as well. But this is not going. If you need our pH kit, make sure that you order for it. This we have the pH and we have the chlorine kit. So we have a lot of kits available. If you are interested, make sure that you contact us. And we have the faucet, the water filtrating faucet. That tells you this will help when you are using your kit for your hardiness. This will help a lot when you are using this. So this will help you. So in order, if you have higher water, this will help you reduce it. It's very, very good. Make sure that you order for that. That is not going to Abuja. And the master of all is our seashell. This is it. This is our seashell. So the seashell will be going to Abuja too as well. So this is the seashell, and it will be going to Abuja. What does the seashell do? This seashell aims is to correct your water. You can see is to make sure that your water is correct. This will balance your pH. This is a natural way of treating your water. This will balance your pH to neutral, and you will enjoy all sorts. And it's full of calcium. In case the calcium of your water is low, this will help you too as well. And this help a lot of things. It helps to stabilize your water too as well. So make sure that you order for all this. And my advice, lastly, for farmers, we all understand what the present state of the country is. We all understand a lot of problems farmers are having, because in terms of feed, we're having problems. We don't know how, if you are even making profit or not. But I will advise you, in a short, as a farmer, make sure you keep records. Most farmers don't keep records. It's when you keep records, you will know that you are doing good or you are not doing good. So in all ramifications, make sure that you keep records. So if you need my mentorship, contact the number on the screen. We will do online mentor. We visit your farm, we set up your farm, we construct your farm for you, and we advise. And we do online mentors. You don't need to come to your farm. We talk, we advise you, we do my online mentor for you for months so that you can understand the farm and you can be professional in the business. So if you need any of my services, and also we have books available. Some of the books will be running around on this screen. We have books available to make you a professional in catfish farming. We have for the feed formulation, we have for the hatchery, we have the video for the hatchery, we have for the smoking, we have for the main launch, we have how to start up a farm. We have a lot of books available on that too as well. So make sure that you contact the number on the screen, and this will be supplied to you anywhere you are. Once again, my name is Stephen Otola Isabiotto. It's a great anchor on this channel, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube page and follow us on all our social media handles. Thank you, and God bless you.